Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Take notes. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can post a story on Instagram with music. So for that, open the Instagram and tap on your story. You can select the picture you want to add to the story. Suppose I want to add this photo on my story. You can adjust the size of this photo according to your preference. Once you edit the photo or the pic and adjust it on the my story, you can add the music by going to the sticker like icon or near the create icon, and here you can find the music option. Tap on music and here you can choose any music you would like to. Suppose I choose this particular music here, and now you can select a style for the sticker. So now if it is done, then you can tap on done and you can tap on your story. Now I have added a pic in my story with music. So this is it guys, thank you.